Get it. Boys, let's get sweet and hot.
They have a new expression along old Harlem way that tells you when a party is 10 times more than gay. To say that things are jumping leaves not a single doubt. Watch all the cats, watch everything when you hear somebody shout. The joint is jumping, it's really jumping. Come in, cats, and check your hats. I mean, this joint is jumping. Piano's thumping, dancers are bumping. Every Moses is on his toes. In fact, the joint is jumping. Check your weapons at the door. Just pay that quarter. Burn your leather on the floor. Grab anybody's daughter. The roof is rocking. The neighbors are knocking. But we all bums when the wagon comes. I mean, the joint is jumping. Turn it loose, yeah. Swing it on out there.